Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and it is time for a chess puzzle. Before starting it, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel and show your support. Now you have done that, let's go for the puzzle. As you can see on the board, Black King is really struggling here. Although Black has some advantage like this bishop is pinned because this rook and this queen is attacking on this rook. But there is a beautiful 4-move force checkmate is available for White. So I would like to request you to pause the video and find that series of move that will move to the checkmate. I hope you have find that move, then go ahead and do the comment. And if you don't, then no worries because you will going to know that moves from today. So if you think queen to e4, then that move is not the best move because king will simply go to f7 and there is no possible continuation for this. If white queen will go to e7, then queen will grab the queen, and if bishop will grab the queen, then rook will take the rook and it is completely winning for black. So what's the move here? Rook goes to e5 and it's check, and you can say that I can grab the rook by pawn or by the bishop, but it is going to be a 2-move checkmate after that, like pawn take the rook and queen to e6, and there is only possible move that is queen to e7 and queen take the queen on e7 with checkmate. As you can see, bishop and king is cutting these edges, so there is only possible move for black is king goes to d7. After that, queen to e6. So king has only one square, that is c6, because this all square is taken by the bishop and the queen. So after king to c6, bishop will go to b8 and it is discovered check from the white's queen, and only last move white can do, that is rook to d6 and queen takes the d6 rook with checkmate because this rook is taking the 5th ranks, queen is taking the 6th rank, and also this d7 and c7 square. Beautiful puzzle, and I hope you have liked it. If you like it, then go ahead and click the like button. You can watch my previous videos here. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.